Peninsula Borough Early Warning System. This is only a test. If this were an actual emergency, you would be instructed to tune to your local radio station. This is only a test.